how to see how many stops away your Amazon package is. Please subscribe if this helps. So as we can see on Amazon, it says to access Amazon map tracking, select track package from your orders. On the day of delivery, you can see the map when the driver is getting close to you. So hover over your name to the top right of the Amazon homepage and then click on your orders. From here, you want to find the order that's being dispatched and then click on track package. Now from here, you will see a map appear when the driver is close to you, and you'll be able to see how many stops away your driver is. Now this typically appears within 10 to 20 stops of when the driver is getting close to you. So you probably have an estimated time, but if you cannot see how many stops away the driver is, it's because they're further away than 10 stops. Usually it will say something like 8 stops away, 5 stops away, and that's when they're getting really close. And if you can't see anything at all, then they're probably a bit further away. But you should have an estimated time that will appear on this page on the day of delivery.